Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete TikTok videos without losing your likes. So if you want to take down a TikTok video, but you don't want to lose all the likes that were on the video, I'll show you how to do that today in this video. So to save all your likes from a video that you want to get rid of, it's really simple. You can't actually delete the TikTok video, but I have a simple solution for you. So first things first, go onto TikTok, and once you open it, find the video that you want to delete. I have this video right here that has 1 like, as you can see on my profile, and I'll just add another like to it real quick by clicking on it and liking it. And once I like it, as you can see, if I go back to my profile, it'll say I have 2 likes instead of 1. Let it reload real quick, and I can click on it and it shows 2. So as you can see, I have 2 likes. Now if I want to keep those likes after taking down the video, all you want to do, you have to go to the video, and once you go to the video, there should be 3 dots in the bottom right corner. Click on that, and once you click on it, a lot of options should appear right here, and you want to scroll until you find a little lock icon. It should be privacy settings. Once you find it, click on it, and then click on who can watch this video. Once you click on that, change it to only me so that it's not on everyone or friends. Now if you go back, it will disappear from your homepage, but you'll still have the likes. It will go to your my eyes only, but only you will be able to see that it's on your profile and nobody else. And you will still have all the likes that you got from that video. So that's how you do this trick. You can't actually delete the video and keep the likes, but you can do something similar. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.